I hope you can see the snow falling, bro, on the camera. Oh yeah, you can see it falling on that blue car. You can see how much it's coming down. Bruh, it's snowing, man. Like, bro, look at this, man. This like blizzard snow, son, for real, you feel me? I hope I ain't catch frostbite, bro. Damn, I'm drenched, bro. My hands is so cold and numb, son. I ain't even show my work. I had to get out of that cold. So hold up. Yeah, you feel? Boom, 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 boom. Boy, it's still coming down though. Man, this weather is horrendous, bro. It's still coming down, son. Look at my truck, bro. Oh, okay. I stand corrected. Let me get that damn shovel. To be the end of the vid, bro. I'm glad I noticed I only got 2 minutes of footage left, bro. So yeah, man, I got caught in a snowstorm, you feel me? It's blizzarding out, man. I've been chilling all day. My hands is numb, they turning purple, you feel me? But remember, through him, you gonna conk it hard. Through him, it was already done, man. Keep grinding, don't stop for nobody, bro. There's no point, son. You gotta go do this thing for you, you feel me? You gotta find that point of that midpoint of chaos and order, real life, you feel me? And you gotta be striving at that midway point where it's not too much chaos, but not too much conformity to where you're doing the same thing repeatedly. You get bored, you feel stuck, you feel me? You gotta find that midway point. Keep grinding, man.
I came back a better me. Said this so many times, but I swear I finally see.